So I'm going to take the mono headset out of the bag, and you've got a microphone that tucks away and that is magnetic. If this microphone is a boom style microphone, you can curl it so that it can bend towards your mouth. What you've got on this Jabra is you've got NFC, so you can pair it via NFC. You've got your volume control buttons up and down, and in this middle button where it says Jabra, this is a multifunctional button. So if you're on your mobile, you will use it to answer and disconnect. It's that easy. And there's some advanced functions that come with the Jabra that are available through the Jabra app. All right, let me show you this box. If you want to use this with a computer, it's showing you right here in the box. Use that dongle. That's what that looks like. You'll turn on the device. There is a switch here. It's in the off position right now. I'm going to turn it on, and you see it starts flashing green. What do you do when you want to use it? I would say before you get to going to using that, if you have this orange USB cable in the box, go ahead and charge it up for about half hour before you start using it. This will avoid a lot of other problems because people start using it right out of the box and they wonder why it died very quickly. So go ahead, do that. They also make a version that is Microsoft certified. And what that means is out of the box, you'll need to plug in this dongle into the USB port on your computer, and it will automatically plug and play all the settings. It will already be populated. No need to go looking for the settings and configuring. It's all done for you. This has been another session of Tech 1-2 with Rolando from Global Tech Worldwide, and I will see you next time.